Solid stainless steel constructed tea kettle. Whistling tea kettle alerts when water is boiling. Cooktop compatibility, electric coil, electric smooth top, gas. Flip-up spout cover for safe and easy pouring and a stay cool trigger for safety. Hand wash recommended. Bakelite handles and stoppers. 1.5-Quart. Gibson is a third-generation company, initiated by our grandfather. Then our father Nejat Gabbay established Gibson overseas in the United States. Through his keen vision, our foundation has been built on solid and genuine business principles. Gibson's goal is to be of service to you. We welcome you to explore the products we have to offer and look forward to being granted this opportunity by you. Gibson products are designed and developed in California with a commitment to style and value that's made us a necessary resource for retailers worldwide. Our time-tested relationships and decades of expertise in Asia's manufacturing sector's results no other company can provide. Top reviews from the United States. A perfectly good little teapot. I almost didn't purchase this pot because there were a bunch of negative reviews right up front. But I read a little more of the overwhelming number of positive reviews and decided to give it a chance. I didn't want to spend the kind of money that was being asked for most of the other teapots. This turned out to be a really good choice. The metal is maybe a little thinner than my old pot, but it works just fine and it's a good-looking pot as well. I have gas burners and was a little concerned about other reviews that claimed they had discoloration of the metal. If you keep the pot centered over the burner, it doesn't seem to be a problem for me. Mine is only 2 weeks old, but no discoloration so far, and I use it several times a day. For the price, approx. $10, it's one of the best deals I've found on Amazon in a long time.